Scralfy, how's it going? I feel like you hold the record for what? What would it be called? For most first time, no, not first time chatter. You hold the record for most first views for my streams. Okay, Twitch good, YouTube good. Get TikTok on here. Boop. TikTok is live. As soon as I see the notification that you're live, I click right on it. Love it, Scralfy. That is what I love. I wish every viewer could do that. I wish every viewer would be like you. Imagine if every single viewer across all my platforms, first off, got the notification. Second off, read it. And then third, actually clicked on it and watched. That would be awesome. Okay, so I've got all my 3 chats going. Now let's actually launch Stream Focus. Actually, I also need to send a Discord message to everyone. Let's see. Dev announcements, dev streams. CH copy. Adding in more punch animations. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Discord message has been sent. The Voided Soul, what's up? How's it going? Welcome, James, F8, Mr. Masueo, Korean, Kalantuki, Drenai40, Bolo, Frick, BLT, David, Freedom, Thick, CMCM. What's up, guys? And of course, again, hello to Scralfy and the Voided Soul. Okay. I'm gonna get my multi-chat going with Stream Focus. This is a brand new release, version 030. If you're interested, you can get early access to it on my website. Okay, why? It's weird, why aren't emotes loading? Huh, okay. Yes, there's currently a bug with Twitch. Whenever you try to close Stream Focus and you have Twitch enabled, Stream Focus will crash. And the reason is because Twitch is running on a background thread, and that background thread is not closing properly, so it crashes. So I'm still working through that bug. Freedom Fam, the other thing is the featured chat message that is cool. Browser source that highlights to most. What? You should check out Social Stream if you haven't, just for ideas. I will definitely do that. I need to look into other multi-chat platforms, see what others are doing. There we go, everything's loaded. Okay, I need to look into that. Why? If you enter your information first and then you log in, it doesn't load. I think because the order I have it running, it's waiting on the other thing. I need to make it check regardless of the order. Okay. Okay, let's get a YouTube on. API key, boop, boop. Manage. So one update that I added into the new version of Stream Focus 030 is that now it'll actually save your settings in between versions. So you shouldn't have to do this again. You'll have to do it on this version, but then you won't have to do it next version, putting in all your information again. It should save across new versions. Get credentials. Zach. Bogus. Shoki. Let's see. I want to actually double check and make sure that YouTube has not increased the quota that I've asked for, because I've heard that sometimes they will actually increase your quota without telling you about it. So I'm gonna check that real quick. That'll be awesome. Nope, still not increased. Gosh darn it. Okay. Copy. Okay. PI key. Link to my stream. Boop. 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 There we go. And then TikTok. Team goals done for you today? Team goals? What are team goals? Freedom Fan, thank you so much for the heart, me and the tiny dinies and the GGs. Really appreciate it. Why is TikTok not connecting? Not gonna lie, I could listen to those keys clacking all day. LOL, I don't know why it's so satisfying. I know, I love this keyboard. I love it so much. I love clicky clacky keys. I'm in IT and spent a ton of time looking, and it was the best solution all the time. Keep killing. What? Ton of time looking. It was the best solution at the time. What was? What were you saying it was called? Social Stream? Okay. Yeah, I will definitely look into it for sure. Why is TikTok not joining? Social Stream. Yeah, I need to look into that. I need to actually make a list. See. There's another one too. Okay, so Social Stream. Restream, of course. Need to look into that. What are some other multi-chat tools out there? Restream, Social Stream. StreamFocus only show chat, or does it show follows and donations as well? So right now it only shows chat. But that is 100% the plan to add all the alerts. So I'm going to add another panel. So right now you have this like you have the panel up here at the top, which shows your settings and then your view count and your platforms. Then down here you have the panel that's all the chat. So I'm going to add another panel in between those right up here, and that panel will show combined follows, subs, donations, tips, all the stuff. And then of course I'm going to make it so that you can rearrange it. So you can turn off panels if you don't want to see chat for whatever reason, or if you didn't want to see the alerts, you can turn that off. Or if you wanted to rearrange them to put chat up top and the alerts down at the bottom, you could do that. So that is 100% the plan. Yep. Ground control. Stream Elements has one too. I need to look into. Okay, why is TikTok not loading? That is making me upset. I need to. Let me see if I can try another. Let me find another TikTok stream that's live. Okay, go to live streams, please. Couldn't watch live videos on your device because you're live on another device. Okay, that's weird. That's really weird. Why would that be a thing? I can't watch a TikTok live stream on my phone because I'm TikTok live on my computer. That's ridiculous. Okay, I see Savage Mike is live. Yo_Savage Mike. Let's try to connect you to his. Yo. Chase, grab controls from Stream Elements. Okay, this is multi-chat. Got it. Okay, so that's Stream Elements. Let's see. Ground control still not connecting. That makes me upset. Oh my goodness. Ground control by Stream Elements. Then we got, was it Social Stream? Yep, Social Stream. I definitely want to look at other multi-chat apps for reference, but I don't want to dig too much into them because there's a reason why I want StreamFocus to be different, in that the other multi-chat apps that I've seen, they're not doing everything that I think they could be doing, and I want StreamFocus to stand out and be humbly better than all the rest. So that's what we're shooting for. Okay, why is this not working? That is upsetting. That's not even the right one. Pixelfire Games. I'm gonna try exiting out. Oh, it's gonna crash because I have Twitch open. Gosh darn it. Is there a place where new features are planned for this product? Like a roadmap? No, I do not have a roadmap. At least not anything more than what you see on the website. On the landing page for StreamFocus, you will see some things like it mentions mod control as a planned feature. That's really the only thing. But no, I need to put the best place to stay notified. Like if you don't want to become a member yet, if you just want to track development of StreamFocus, the best way to do that is by joining the Discord. Join the Discord, grab the StreamFocus role. You'll get access to the StreamFocus category on our Discord. And you can track development. You can get notified when new releases are pushed out. You can see all the change logs that come with each release. So yeah, 7TV integrates. Yeah, not right now, but they will for sure. So right now, man, TikTok is still not loading. That is upsetting. Okay, so it looks like TikTok is down. Yeah, so it's nothing on my end, just the TikTok API is down. Yang says, hi, April Fools. Yep, it is April Fools. Okay, we actually need to get on with what the stream is actually about. So I guess we don't have TikTok today. We have YouTube, but for some reason the viewer count is not showing up, which is odd. Okay, move that over there. Yeah, Scralfy, I saw that. I was like, oh no. Hopefully it'll get extended. We'll see. Been telling people about this product. I've just been getting asked and I stumbled across here. This is great. That's awesome, Carl She. Don't know how to say your name. That's awesome. Thanks for spreading the word. Okay, let's actually do this. So we are working more on the Tooland game today, the Tooland mobile game. Let's take a look at the current state of Tooland. Here we go. For our project I'm doing, I get to do some stop motion Lego. Oh, that's awesome, Scralfy. That's so cool. You should post it in the Discord when you make it. Okay, so last stream we got the enemy randomizer working. So if you'll see here, they all spawn with randomized clothing accessories. So if you restart, random, restart, random. Some are shirtless, some have a hoodie. And then that hoodie has 4 variations. It has sleeves down, sleeves up, hood on, hood off. And then pants are always, no, we created the shorts last stream too. So we have shorts and long pants variation. Zoom in here. And then we have a mask that is sometimes spawns and sometimes doesn't. We have a hat, and we have 3 types of horns. And then we have hair, which spawns sometimes, but not all the time. And then of course we have the color that randomizes. So that is working great. This stream, we need to add some more punches, because right now, Drip can only punch, boop, 1 type of punch. And we need to do combo moves as well. So I'm gonna add a few more punches in here. We'll see how many we can get to today. But let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so we're gonna go to our punches. I was looking at punches lean in or punches. Let's see. Add a new punch lean in. You guys see this? Oh, Twitch can't see it. Let me move this over. It's good enough now. There we go. Okay. This is all from the motion capture we recorded. Okay, so we already have a lean in punch forward. Let's find a variation. An uppercut. Ooh, I like that. That's good. Because that's a lean in uppercut. Yep, I love that. Let's add that one. So 1988 to, for now, 2138. 2138, that's the frame range. Okay. This is punch, lean in, lean 1, but this is gonna be called uppercut, lean 1. Okay. Now on this one, I gotta make sure, I gotta copy pretty much the same frame rate, or the same like start and end. So the start is right before the punch starts moving forward. So let's do that right before this starts moving forward, which is right. There's also going to be a fade transition from animation to animation, so I can go a little bit further to right there. So that is 2012, 2012. And then where did we end that other punch? Let's see. Ends when it comes back. Okay, so that needs to end when it comes back. That's too far. Right. Right. There. 20, we'll just call it 2100. 2100. Okay. Now let's play it. Why is that one straight on, but that one is not straight? Whoa, and it keeps turning. Oh, the transforms are not correct. Okay. We got to do all checks and all originals. Okay, all checks, all originals. Apply. And then let's just double check. All checks, all originals. Yep. I didn't have any. Yep, none and none. Okay, so that one should be good to go. Let's check it. That one should be good to go. Now I can actually add it in. First one to say it correctly, but you can call me Carl. Okay, awesome. Sounds good, Carl. Thanks. You can watch your own live, just search your name. Oh, you can? Even when I'm live streaming from my device? Nope, it's not showing up. It's so dumb that you can't look at other live streams while you're live streaming. That is so dumb. It's my first Blender render on my new build, man. Super hyped for how it turned. That's awesome. Yo, Scholar, you should post that in the Discord. I'd love to see it. We have a creator section or creating section in our Discord. Just get the creator role and you'll get access to it on the Discord and then post it there. I'd love to see it. I love seeing people's first Blender renders. Okay, let's move over. Okay, let's actually add this in. So animator. Okay, so the way we were doing this before, punch, lean in. Let's just duplicate this. And this was... Why is that? Showing up there. Is that the one we're using? Why? Okay, let's use the uppercut lean. Let's see, uppercut lean 1. And then, let's see, any state, make transition to that, transition to that. Settings, just copy the same settings, 0.05. I need to look into, I think it's called Animancer. There's a Unity plugin for animations. I think it's called Animancer. And apparently it's a lot better than the animation system that's built into Unity. Because this is going to take forever to do this for every single animation. Okay, animate to self. Good. Okay, conditions. Punch, grounded, true. Okay, I gotta think about this, okay? When should the punch happen and when should the uppercut happen? Should they happen randomly? I don't think so. Should it happen as a combo? Yes. I think your first move should be a punch, boop, and then if you press the punch button again within a certain time limit, it should trigger the uppercut. So this should actually not come from any state. This should come from punch lean 1. Make transition to that. And then the condition should be, let's have the same 0.05. Doesn't have exit time. Oh no, wait. Yeah, it should have exit time. Okay. And then the condition is if you press punch again. For now though, just for testing, I'm gonna have no conditions, so I'm just gonna go to that automatically. Let's see. I'm going to let's do this. Let's add just temporarily a bool called combo, and then if combo is false, do that, exit. If combo is true, then run the combo. Combo is true. Okay. So it should play that animation after we punch the first time. Fingers crossed. Wait, let me make sure this is the right speed too. Punch lane 1, speed 4, speed 4. Might need to play around with that, but let's test it. Here we go. Ferio Jerio, what's up? How's it going? Okay, let's punch and see if it does the combo move. We are stuck. We have stuck. Why are we stuck? What is going on here? Well, I have combo set to false. Let me put this to the side so I can see what's going on at the same time. Make sure you guys can see it too. Okay. Hey bro, well, it was the donut tutorial. Cool. Learned too much for real, but I gave it my own flair. That's awesome. Yeah, I would love to see it for real. Post in the Discord. Okay. Why is I press punch? Well, that's super weird. What is going on here? Here, punch, grounded is true. It should trigger that, and then from there, has exit time. Oh, has exit time. Need that turned on. I thought I had that on. 0-5. Now maybe it should work. Guys, I'm torn. Should I buy the 300-pound Lego Daily Bugle set? I have not seen that. What is going on? I'm punching. Let's turn combo true. Whoa, okay. He's just... I can't move. Why can't I move? It's doing it though. with combo turned on, it does punch. That looks super cool. Punch, uppercut. Come on. It's getting stuck in here. Attack from any state. Dude, what is going on? Combo off. I'm so confused right now. From any state. Transition to the punch lean 1. Right? If the condition punch is triggered and grounded is true. Great. And then the uppercut animation. Combo false. 0.2. Let's make that 0.2. Yeah, I think I need to get that animation plugin. Maybe something's going on in my code that's messing this up. I've only been working on this. Goodness. Off and on since... It was sometime last year we started, 2024. I don't remember the month. You'd have to look back at the old live streams. We need to zoom out. This is way too close. Dude, what? Okay, punch. It's not triggering the punch. Look at that. Punch is triggered right there. Punch triggered. It should be playing it from any state. Oh, it's because that set has exit time? That should be off. I think that's it. Why did that change? That's totally it. Yep, there it is. Boop. There it is. See, I didn't even change that, and it changed by itself when I added the other transition. That's messed up. Okay. So now it works. Okay, we're back to our normal punches, and then we turn combo on, and then when I punch, it will combo. Yes, but I lose my controls after that. Fantastic. And it's way too fast. That's way too fast. Plus, he needs to move forward again. At least we're getting somewhere. Attack mode. Combo. Punch. Why do I lose my controls? That is very interesting. Lose my controls after I punch. That must be a script thing. Okay. So first off, let's make this slower. 2. Combo. Looks pretty good. Be a little bit faster. Ooh, that's way too fast. Let's go back to 2. Need 2.5. It still feels a little... Yeah, let's go back to 2. 2 is good. Okay, 2's good on the speed, but we gotta figure out why we're losing movement controls after that. Combo false. Okay, I think I know why. Let's go back to that. Where's the animation? Animation. Thought I had events in the animation. I guess I don't. Thought I was using animation events. It's been a while since I touched this animation stuff. So my client had me working on a VTuber setup. So much like I had the Pixelfire VTuber setup that I use for Lego and Minecraft and all that. My client saw that and he's like, hey, can you make that for me for a drip? So I spent a few months working on that for him. And so now we're back into the game now that that's all done. So I'm kind of trying to like relearn and reacclimate myself to all the stuff that I set up beforehand. Okay, so let's actually get into the code. Let's see here. Player armature, player character controller. Boop. Actually, let me look back at that real quick. Okay. Player. Okay, let's look at our code. You guys see this okay? Yeah. There we go. Thank you for the goat. Appreciate it. Guys, if there's any StreamFocus users in the chat right now, StreamFocus version 0.3.0 just released yesterday. So if you've been using StreamFocus, guys, get the new version. It will notify you once you open up StreamFocus that there's a new version, but I'm telling you now. You heard it straight from me. The new version is out. Okay, let's look at this code. See what's going on. Public void on move. Okay, that's all fine. Moving, yes, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Let's call the animation minutes on jumps, fine, on jetpack, on punch. Okay. Input action combat, perform and grounded, attacking equals true, animator set trigger punch, instant snap look towards walk point. Yes, that's fine for each enemy, close enemy. Yep, that's all good. So just setting attacking to true, set trigger punch. Okay, that's fine. Okay, find close enemy. Don't need that. Move input. That shouldn't be an issue. Cursor lock state. Move speed. Sprint speed. Nope. 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 Assign animation. That shouldn't be it. Grounded check. Move. Okay, set target speed. Base move speed. Attacking. Animation blend. That shouldn't be it. Target direction. Move the player. Jump, footstep, land. Yeah, I don't see anything that would interfere. Let's look at this code. Actually, I'm just gonna turn all the enemies off right now because they're in the way. All the goons off. Boop. Okay. Play. Okay, punch. Everything's normal. Open back up the code. Punch. Attacking true and then off. Combo. Punch. Okay, so attack. Okay, that's exactly what's happening. So attacking the attacking bool is not turning off at the end of the combo move. That's what, and you can only move if attacking is off. That's why moving is not working. So if I turn this off here manually, I can then move again. Yep. So attacking is not setting to false. I need to find out why. Why is that happening? Attacking, where do we set attacking to true? Attacking equals true. On punch, okay? That's where we set it. Then where do we set it to false? Finish attacking. This is called by animation events. Finish attacking, attacking equals false. Okay. So animation event. So where's my animation event for the first punch so that I can call it in this other one as well? Animation event. Where are my animation events? Here we go. Character animation delegate. Nope, that's not it. Is it? Not this delegate script. Let's see. Well, that's just turning the feet and hand points on and off. That's not it. That's not it. See, I thought I had the animation events in here, but they're not showing up. I don't understand. There they are. Okay, now it's showing up. Okay. Can you guys see this? Of course you can't. It's on the wrong screen. Here we go. Our animation, and here are the events right here. So this event right here, function right hand attack on, right hand attack off, and then at the end, finish attacking is off. Yeah. So I need to add those to the uppercut punch. Okay. So let's see. That is why I have it as a separate thing, because you can't edit those. Or can you? Yeah, because these are read only. Excuse me, sorry guys. Okay, so let me check this. Yeah, so these are not read only, or they are read only. So I need to, let's see. God, can I? There we go. So I just do that, and then I add my new animation events. So at the beginning, we're gonna add a right hand attack on 0, 0. Oop. Yeah, I need to look into that animation plugin because I cannot do this for every single animation. There's probably gonna be like 40 animations for the main character for Drip. I can't do this for everyone. This is gonna be crazy. So okay. So we have right hand attack on 0, 0. Right hand attack on 0, 0. And then at the very end on punch lean 1, we have finish attacking 0, 0. Uppercut at the very end. Add an animation event. Boop. Finish attacking. That will fix our problem, so we're good. I just want to add the other ones in here too. So then right frame 54, we are turning right hand attack off. Frame 54. So that is after the punch has landed. It's actually in between when the punch lands and when it comes back. So same over here. Let's copy the animation event, boop, and then uppercut. Let's go. Right, the end is 46 and the start is 22, so the middle ground would be 32. Let's do right 32. 32. Frame 32. Add an event. Boop, right hand attack off. Okay. That should be it. Now we can go over here and it should work. Not engaging whatsoever. I see should be a video in your stream. Goodness, Oliver. Goodness gracious. That is savage. Dude. That is savage. Okay. Combo. Yes, it works. No, it doesn't. We're still, gosh darn, we're still. Oh, I know why, because I did not switch the animation. Let's see. Go back to the animation. Put the right one in. Uppercut. It's not that one. It is now this one. Boop. Now it should work. Okay. Give me 10 seconds and then I will engage with you, Oliver. Okay. Punch, punch, combo, punch, combo, punch, combo, and we have our... Still not working. Oh, wait. No. Interesting. I don't know what's going on. I thought that would have fixed it. As if I feel positive or negative watching this stream, what you do in here, not engaging whatsoever I see, should be a video in your stream. Okay. So Oliver, I am doing a live game dev, and that is not for the faint of heart. It's very hard. It takes a lot of concentration, so I'm not able to engage as much as I would like. I'll go spurts in between developing and engaging with you guys developing, and there wasn't chat for a while, so I was just in my element, and then I saw your chats. So there you go. Thanks for joining the stream, Oliver. Appreciate you being here. See if TikTok is actually working now. The API. Okay. Armature, tell me, please. Why? Combo is on. You're not setting to false. Public void finish attacking. This is called by animation events. Attacking equals false. That's exit time. We definitely need to hit the end of the animation, which we do. Oh, it's because we're never hitting the end of the animation. That's why. Ugh, why is that so far over? Actually have to hit the end of the animation. That should do it. There we go. I need to get that animation plugin. Animation in Unity is so bad. It just is. Okay, this should work. This should work. Okay. Punch, punch, still have controls, combo, punch, combo, back to controls. Yes, victory. We have solved the problem. Okay. Nice. Punch. Cool. The only thing is I want Oh, no, that actually works. Boop, boop. Beautiful. Now let's actually turn the enemies back on. Or one enemy. Let's turn him on. Boop. And see if it hits him twice. Yes, let's go. I need to fix the timing on the enemy, though. Punch, punch. Nice. And I also need to make the combo only happen if you click again. Boop, boop. Let's turn the other ones on. Okay, you need to move over here. Nice, combo move works. I kind of want him to move forward though when he punches a bit. A little bit. I'm gonna restart the TikTok stream and switch over to gaming because I tried the just chatting category and it's not really working. So I'm going to report GTA 6 leaks. I don't play GTA. Sorry. I'm gonna restart TikTok stream. My audio right for test, test, test? Yes, it is. Test, test. Yes, it's working. Okay, cool. I want to be famous. What's up? Ian Damla, what's up? Okay, let's test this again. Should be working. Okay. Running around. Punch. Beautiful. And then combo turn on. Where did my combo go? There we go. Combo on. Now we punch, combo. Beautiful. Punch, combo. Punch, combo. Punch, combo. Oh, that's cool. That's a glitch, but I love it. Punch, punch, combo. Ooh, I like that a ton better. Punch, punch, combo. Punch, punch, combo. And by combo, I mean uppercut. It's all combo. Let's do that. Bale, Rapid, Column, what's up? How's it going, guys? Paul, Pinky, Bunny, what's up? How's it going? We're working on a mobile game right now for a client. Yeah, let's do punch, punch, uppercut. I love that, dude. That's so cool. So all I should have to do to make that work is just duplicate that. Bring this down here. Make transition to that. Copy the same things. Has exit time. 0.05. It's a 0.05. If combo is true, conditions combo true. Yep. And then delete that one. And then it's gonna be punch lean 1, but it's gonna be called flipped because we're gonna flip it. And then we're just gonna mirror the animation. Perfect. And then we transition to this if combo is still true. Combo true. And then all the same settings, 0.05. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now it should do all 3. Let's test that out. I'm so excited. That was gonna look cool. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, just 1 punch. Now let's turn combo on. Punch, punch, combo. Yes. It's... It's mirroring, not the animation, but it's mirroring the whole body? Let's see what's going on in scene view. What in the world? Plus, I need to fix the side bit. Maybe it's not me. It's mirroring it correctly. It just looks jumpy. His body needs to move forward, actually move forward in space with each combo move. That will help. But I think there still needs to be some more transition. I think it's transitioning too quickly. Okay, so this right here. Transition duration, let's try 0.2. That's better, but we definitely need to move forward for this to work. Let's try 0.1. Combo turn on. That's a lot better. Maybe a little bit less, 0.075. 0.08. Much better. There we go. That's a better transition. Let me give some more transition to this other one too. 0.08. Love it. What do you guys think? Does that feel good? Looks like he's punching against a strong wind. Oh yeah, 100%. It's because he's not moving forward with his punches. I need to actually make his body move forward in space with each punch instead of staying stagnant. And that should be pretty easy. I'll do that right now in like 30 seconds. It's looking cool though. So let's go back to game view. Well, settings is on. There we go. Yeah, I think punch, punch, uppercut. Punch, punch, uppercut. Punch, punch, uppercut. Yeah, he just needs to move forward some. That's easy stuff. Famous last words. Easy stuff. It looks solid right now though. Thanks, Relaxing Brute. Appreciate it. Yeah, thanks everyone for being here. I'm working on a mobile superhero game for a client. Let's... Oh, by the way, join the Discord if you've not already. If you are new, Relaxing Brute, I've not seen your name before. If you're new, join the Discord. I would love to see you again. Okay. So, on punch... I already have it. Look at that. I already had it. I had some code that I was testing out. So let's see. Transform to move. Move drip forward a bit when punching. Controller move. Transform forward, normalize. 5. Not sure which code is the one that I was using, so let me see what my move code is. I want to make sure I'm staying consistent. See, awake, start, update, late update, move. Okay, for move, we're doing... Here, this is what we're doing, controller moves. I'm gonna copy this just to check it. Paste it. Okay, controller move. Transform forward, target direction normalized. Yeah, because if I uncomment this, yeah, because I'm using this now instead of that, it doesn't have access to target direction though. Where are we setting that? I might have to use more of this move code up here, but first I'm going to try to just use transform forward normalized times speed times delta time. Yes, new vector 3. So I'm just going to change this to speed. And then change this to that. Turn this off. Okay, let's see where that gets us. Identifier expected. What? Oh, whoops. Did not comment that out correctly. There we go. My bad. Is that Phyton? What is Phyton? No, so this is a... Oh, Python. No, it's not Python, it's C#. C# code. It's not moving him forward. I think because... Let's see. Okay, I know why. It's because I have it set to the speed and before I had it set to 5 because we want to force a certain amount each time. We don't want to use the speed value from his movement. We want to force some speed. That should work. Punch. There we go. Punch. 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 Combo. Punch. Punch. Combo. It's not happening fast enough. If I did 10, I think that's gonna move him forward more. Move him forward further, not faster, which is not what we want. Yeah, that's way too far. Plus, it's not happening on the combos. I wonder why. Where was my punch? Finish attacking. Attacking equals false. We need to keep track of the combos. Instead of finish attacking, just for testing real quick, let me add that code there instead. Or actually, let's do it both places. I just want to get it working on the combo moves too. What's up, Edgar, War Dog, Kimmy, Owen? What's up, guys? Okay. This is going to move us forward twice, which is not what we want. Yep. But we do want it to happen on the combos. There we go. We want it to happen in between the combos, but not at the start and not at the end. I like it. I could even move forward a little bit more. What do you guys think? Like an 8? Finish attacking, an 8. Finish attacking, 8. I just got to keep track of our combo moves and only trigger it then. I'm still not liking the transition from punch to the mirrored punch. It's like... he shouldn't be like switching in place, it feels like. He should be moving forward with each step like this. Like punch and then step into the punch, right? It should be like that. But instead it's like, right now it's like boom, boom. It's like that. It's like boom, boom. But it should be punch, punch. Right? He's like sliding into the punch. I could adjust the animation. Let's see what that looks like. Punch, lean, 1. So that the root transform I might have actually recorded an animation. I might have recorded some mocap of doing 2 punches in a row. I'd have to look. What's up, Boomer, Twinborn, MK, Tenti, Jesus, Hoosier, Boomer? What's up, guys? Scruffy says maybe to end the combo with a knockback kick, but I guess you gotta mocap that, so maybe not. Oh no, we got that. We got everything. We got so many mocap animations. We have kicks as well, so there are going to be kicks that I got to put in here as well. There are going to be kicks. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Okay, this is what I need to do to make this work. I need to finish attacking, should not have the code. It just should not. And then let's see. I need to keep track of my combo moves. Every time a punch happens, I need to actually set the trigger. So combo should not be a bool. Combo should be an int. So it should be an int. Let's call it combo. And back to this. If combo equals 1. And this if combo equals 2. So boop, if combo equals 1, combo equals 2. Otherwise, if combo equals 0, exit. And then here actually, transition there. If combo equals 1, combo equals 2. Okay. And just make sure they're all the same. 2. 2. All have exit time. Why do you zoom out each time? That is so annoying. I need to get the animation plugin. This is a nightmare. I can't do this for every single animation. Okay. Okay, that's set. If combo equals 1, we play that. If combo equals 2, we play that, and then we exit. Okay. Now all I need to do is every time we punch, attacking equals true, animator triggered punch, we need to update the integer. So animator set trigger combo. Oh no, it's not trigger, it's int. Set int integer. Set integer combo to the current value plus 1. Okay, so to animator get integer combo plus 1. So every time we punch, we increase the combo integer by 1. Oh, I need a parentheses there. There we go. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let's try that out. Let's see if our combo increases by 1 every time I click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It does. Look at that. Beautiful. Can you guys see that? Okay. Now I just need to, at the end of the attack, decrease it by 1. Okay, so at the end of the attack, finish attacking, attacking equals false. Oh no, let's do this here. Animator set integer combo to animator combo minus 1. Boop. Beautiful, simple as that. Play. Now at the end of an attack, so when I click, it should increase combo by 1. When it ends the attack, it should decrease combo by 1. Boop. There we go. Look at that. Why did it do it twice? Oh, because it ran into the combo and then did it again. Okay, I see. Lico, what's up? Justin, how's it going? Stain Tosin and Sarah Barra. Cole Train, how's it going? No, it's C sharp, not C++. It is C sharp. Okay. Yes, the problem is that it's hitting the next animation before it is calling this. Set trigger punch, set trigger combo to +1. So it's triggering the punch and saying combo +1. No. It needs to only detect that if you actually click or tap on your screen at the end of the first move within a certain time frame. So at the end of the attack, I need to start a coroutine that gives us a certain amount of time to run the combo move. But then after that, you can't run the combo move. So private enumerator. Why is that not popping up? Do I not have collections? Nope, I don't. Using Unity engine code. Unity code. There we go. Using collections. It is collections, right? Private enumerate. No. You mean Unity users in here? This is Unity game engine. Justin, what's up? How's it going? No, this is not Java, this is C sharp. I'm using Unity game engine and C sharp code. Okay, so why am I not getting coroutines? I need system collections. Got it. Okay. System collections. There we go. Now I can do a coroutine. Check for combo. No. Yes. No. Combo window. Yep. Combo window. Okay. So after we finish attacking, we start the window for combo. So start coroutine, combo window. Okay. And in combo window, yield return new, wait 4 seconds. You can do a combo move for how much time? We'll start off with just 1 second, okay? 1 second, and we'll test that, see if it works good. Works well. once we start the combo window, we need to set a bool. Let's just put it here for now. Private bool can do combo. At the start of the combo window, can do combo equals true. At the end of it, we cannot do combo anymore. So set that to false. Beautiful. Okay, and then combo window. We also need to decrease by 1 there. Okay. And then down here on punch, we only increase combo by 1 if combo is allowed. Yep. So if can do combo, then we increase the combo integer by 1, and we always decrease it by 1 here, but only if. We don't want it to be negative, so we need to make sure only if it's greater than or equal to 1. And I'll show you why in a second. So let's actually do it without that first. So if I press click, it should not increase. Yep, it doesn't increase, but it keeps subtracting by 1. Yep. Okay. So I need to right here, if animator, let me just do animator get built combo is greater than or equal to 1. Then we need to decrease it. Beautiful. So within this window, so can do combo, I need to put down here, if can do combo, +1. When do we set attacking to false? I think we should actually set attacking to false at the end of the combo window. Maybe. That might interfere with movement. But I'm gonna put it here for now and see what happens. Could you explain multiple return values? Multiple return values? What do you mean by that? Well, you've been working on this game since 2024, sometime in there. I was working on it for a few months, and then my client saw my VTuber setup that I do with Lego VTuber, with Lego Pixelfire and Minecraft Pixelfire. And he's like, "Hey, can you make me a VTuber setup as well that works with my superhero character?" So I said, "Sure." So I worked on that for him for a few months and completed that. So now we're back into the game. Okay, so that works. But the combo window is too long. Yeah, so combo window is way too long. Be like 0.2. 0.2 of a second. It's not increasing. It's not increasing the combo counter. Is it setting the value? Let's see, debug. Where's my bool? Can do. There it is, can do combo. Okay, let's look at that. Can do combo. Oop. The problem is that by the time you run the combo move, it's already left the animation. You can see it over here. Plus, each time I punch, it's restarting from any state because of conditions ground. Okay, yeah, so I need to do this. From any state, you hit that punch only if punch is triggered and grounded is true, and if combo equals 0. That should help something. Do you sell the VTube Lego software? No, not yet, but soon. So people have been asking me that for literally years. No exaggeration. Hold on just a second. It's setting combo up, but now it's stuck. Yeah, so people have been asking me that for a long time, and I plan on beginning development on that this year. So over the past few years, I've developed so many tools for VTubing. I've built my own setups within Unity for Lego, for Minecraft, for humanoid characters, and so I have all the stuff there. I just need to package it up into a usable app that you guys can use. So I plan on beginning development of that sometime in the next few months, hopefully, fingers crossed. We do have, I haven't actually, so yeah, there's some things happening over the next few months. But yeah, there's some things happening, like personal stuff happening over the next few months that might interfere with that, but my plan is the next few months begin development on it. A Fortnite segment I want to do with that. A Fortnite segment, what do you mean by that? You have a Fortnite segment that you want to use the VTuber setup for, like the Lego VTuber? But yeah, so to follow along with that and to stay updated, the best way for that is to just join the Discord. So join my Discord and you'll be notified and you can stay up to date on the VTuber app. Lego content, cool. Yeah, I'm excited. A lot of people have asked about it and there's a lot of hype around it, so I'm very excited to start working on that. It just takes a lot, so it takes so much development time to build stuff like that, as well as all the development time I'm spending on Stream Focus, the new multi-chat app. So to make it all happen, it can only happen with support. So that's why I have memberships on my website. Feel free to check that out if you're interested. But yeah. Yeah, something is just not working here. I think maybe what I need to do is, instead of going from one animation to the next, I need to do it from any state. So make transition to this one, make transition to this one. And then this one, if combo equals 0, this would be if combo, let's see, if combo equals 1. This would be if combo 2. Let's try that. 0, 1, 2. Actually, I'm going to copy all the conditions. Copy, paste, and then change that to 1. Paste, change that to 2. Yeah, and then let's see, this was time 0.08. 8. Oh no. No exit time. Can transition to self. Say no. We're copying the other one. Might need to work with that a little bit later. And then I can just delete that, delete that. Yeah, I'm gonna look into that animation plugin later today because this is so messy and just takes way too much time. Try that. What you're doing is amazing, brother. Thank you so much, Black Lips. Appreciate it. I was looking into it the other day when I seen your page. Awesome, love it. You are what? You are what, Blood Clips? You joined the Discord? What are you saying I am to? Hey, look at that. It's working. But then it gets stuck. Actually, you should be able to trigger combo anytime between the end of the window and before. Yes, okay, that's where the issue's coming in. Okay. Can do combo true should actually happen not at the end of the attack. You should be able to trigger a combo. Well, yeah, if you press super fast, maybe not. If you're on your phone, you tap, it should trigger 3 hits, right? Maybe not. There should be another window. Let's see. Combo true. Let's actually trigger that on the punch. Attacking equals true. Punch. Wait. Can do combo equals true. But let's change this to if combo equals greater than or equal to 0. If the combo is greater than or equal to 0. No. Yeah, greater than or equal to 0, which is always. Every time you punch, you can trigger combo. Yes, let's try that. Oops. Sort of. What is wrong with him? He's stuck like. That's hilarious, dude. I mean, it's not funny because it makes me mad, but it's also hilarious. The combo counts are increasing and decreasing correctly, which is great. But for some reason, we're getting stuck in here. Oh, because of how I rearrange things, I need to make these always exit. Okay, that's why. Delete, delete, delete. There we go. Because I switched it to any state transition. Okay. Now that shouldn't happen. Gastropods, what's up? Now it's exiting properly every time. Oh, it's jumping straight to the second combo move, and it's not using the first one at all. We're super close, though. It's working, though. Combos are working, it's just it's skipping that first one. And it's skipping that first one because it's setting it to combo 1 right away on the first one. And it only needs to increase the combo. Afterwards. So we need to move this at the end. Here. Set to +1. Yes, that should work. That should work. That should work. Work. No, wait. Yes, that should work. No, wait. Okay, we're just gonna test it out. Okay, 1. Great, it's running the first animation. Perfect. It's comboing between the first 2 punches, but it's never hitting the third. What is going on here? 1 punch. Combo setting to 1 right at the end for a brief second. If you hit that second, it's hitting it. We're getting it properly. We lost our smooth animation though. This needs to be 8. 8. Why are we never hitting that third combo? Grounded combo 0 equals 1 equals 2. Never hitting it. I'm not using the can-do combo bull anymore. Oh, it should only increase. If can-do combo is true. I'll close out all these. Go back to this. I don't know why. If can-do combo increased by 1, can-do combo sets to true. Here, try that. Hey, there it is. Look at that. It's not decreasing all the way. Now it's just doing the last two again. It's not, it's stuck. Why is that transition stuck? Equals 0. Oh yeah, so we need to reset it to 0. Okay, yeah, because it can't build on top of itself. You need to set it to 0 at the last one that you allow. So, in the combo window, if it's greater than or equal to 1, subtract by 1. No, we never want to subtract. Because after you, like, say you throw 1 punch and then 2 punch, in that combo window, it shouldn't go back to 1 so that you can do that second one again. It should just go back to 0 because you can't do any combos anymore. Because when it starts over, it's got to start back at 0. So we have to do if get ever combo is equal to our amount, is if it's ever equal to 0, set it to they're equal to 2, so we've hit our final combo move. We got to go back to 0. Equals 0. If final combo move reached, reset back to 0. Reset combos back to 0. Let's do greater than or equal to 2 just in case we accidentally hit go over. Wait, it should always reset to 0. Never mind. It should always reset to 0. At the end of the combo window, reset combos to 0. Yep. No matter what you're at, it should always reset. Hey, there it is. Look at that. Punch, punch, combo. Nope. Punch, punch, combo. These need to have exit time. Let's see. Settings. They do have exit time. I think I need to go back to these transitions. Combo equals 0. Combo equals 1. Combo equals 2. Change these to 0.08. 0.08 as exit time. Okay, let's try that. Oh wait, I need to. Oh no, they're set. They're set properly. It might just be always exiting, so this needs to be. Let's see if combo is still equal to 0. 0, copy that, paste, change to 1, paste, 2. Your bro just came passing by and I wanted to tell you to never give up on your work. Thank you, ATK, it means a lot. When you feel like giving up, just remember how much work you have done on this. Thanks, ATK, appreciate it. Well, I can't give up on this because this is a project for a client. But I appreciate the kind words, that means a lot. Why is this not working? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Good luck. Thanks, ATK. Means a lot. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day for the stream, and I'm just gonna keep chugging away at this. I'm gonna go eat lunch and then keep chugging away at this afternoon. But yeah, guys, be sure to join the Discord, follow me on all my socials, and yeah, if you're interested in Stream Focus, the new multi-chat app that I just released, I just released a new update, 030 Alpha, yesterday, with some new features and bug fixes. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys on the next stream. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Tuesday. Bye, guys.